Multiplication of monomial by trinomials. 3x times 5x minus 2x squared minus 5. Unahin natin dito sa 3x at 5x. 3x times 5x, 3 times 5 equals 15. Pareho silang positive, kaya positive 15. X times x equals x squared. X squared. Tapos 3x times negative 2x squared. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. Negative 6. X times x squared equals x cubed. Bali, inad lang natin itong exponent ng 2x squared. Exponent nitong x na 2 dito sa 2x squared at ang exponent nitong x na 1. Hindi na lang natin nilagay yung 1. Next, 3x times negative 5 equals negative times positive equals negative, kaya negative ito product nitong dalawa. 3 times 5 equals 15. Walang kasamang variable itong 5, kaya x lang yung ilalagay natin. Itong x na kasama nitong 3 na nasa labas. Next, erase lang natin to. Next example po tayo. Negative 2x squared times 6 minus 4x minus 7x cubed. Negative 2x squared times 6 equals negative 2 times 6 equals 12, kaya negative 12. Dugtong natin ang x squared, walang kasamang variables ang 6, kaya negative 12x squared. Negative 2x squared times negative 4x, pareho silang negative, kaya positive yung product. 2 times 4 equals 8. Each x squared times x equals x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 7x cubed, pareho pa rin negative, kaya positive siya, magiging positive. 2 times 7 equals 14. X squared times x cubed, lagay natin ng x dito, tapos add lang natin itong dalawang exponent na 2 at saka 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Kaya negative 12x squared plus 18x cubed plus 14x to 5th. Arrange lang natin. Unahin natin dito sa una nating ilagay itong 14x to 5th dahil siya yung may pinakamalaking power. Rearrange lang natin 14x to 5th. Problema dito, sandali lang. X to 5th at positive 8x cubed minus itong pinakahuli ay 12x squared. Kaya 14x to 5 plus 8x cubed minus 12x squared.